Greetings to all. The reason why we have gathered is to make a group study or a group discussion about how aircraft is manufactured and how it is produced. So based on our second year subject, aircraft manufacturing technology, so the process we have discussed in the class, in the seminars and the lectures. So let us discuss about how the aircraft is made and how it is produced and what are the technologies involved in it. So anyone can share your details regarding it.
Hello everyone, I have been diving from diving trends of modern monster aircraft manufacturing details with a push for lighter and using carbon composite materials. Composite materials are being game changers, but integrated AI will revolutionize what you are thinking about.
Absolutely, Gogol. AI is already transforming design based through generative algorithms. For instance, machine learning can optimize aerodynamics by simulating thousands of applications faster than the traditional CAD software. In manufacturing, predictive AI can process material failure before they happen and reduce waste.
So now, AI's impact on automation is huge. We are using robotic arms to guided by computers. Then can make precise welding for the complex geometries. It can minimize the human error. Then it can.
What are the design components or design software which you use in the making of a 3D component of an aircraft?
So we can use SolidWorks software. Then we can use CATIA. For analysis, we can use ANSYS software.
Okay. So what is the purpose of implementing the carbon fiber in the manufacturing of an aircraft?
So it gives strong around the body. And basically carbon fiber is more stronger than anything else, and it is lightweight also. But carbon fiber is more expensive than other materials. So this is not affordable for using.
Okay.
As the PM, I am all about timelines and cost, AI-driven supply chain management. However, integrating AI means upscaling the workforce. How do we ensure our terms aren't left behind?
Good point, Arti. In design, AI tools like topology automation help centers lighter structure without compressing strength. Think bio-inspired being designs. Ethical AI use key. We can't have bias in simulation lead to unsafe aircraft.
Ethical architecture. We are implementing explain about AI model so engine can understand why certain designs were suggested. I test AI analyzing sensor data from prototype in real time, spotting aminos during the flight, simulating the human might miss.
Is there any possible way to order a diagram after we get a printout and send it to the manufacturing site? No possible.
On the manufacturing side, AI-powered 3D printing is enabling one-command parts production, which is perfect for custom aircraft components. It speeds up prototyping and reducing inventory costs. But scalability is an issue. How do we ramp this up for full production rates?
Scalability ties into ROI. We have piloted AI in quality control using image recognition to inspect rivets and seams, catching defects to 99% accuracy. It saves millions in rework. The challenge is regulator approval. Aviation authorities like the FAA are cautious about AI's critical system.
Can anyone suggest that? Is it useful of AI to use in the manufacturing of an aircraft?
Absolutely, sir. AI is nowadays AI is playing major role in every industries and all categories. It is more it gives so many ideas how the materials we need to use and how it works, and we won't need to prototype it. Simply update the details and how it works. It gives the full simulation. And so on.
Is there any point to share? Okay, thank you for sharing your knowledge with me, and we will be meeting the next session. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.